Hello there friends, welcome to my channel, This Kitchen Rendezvous. And if it is your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And if you are new subscribers, please, thank you so much for joining us. And I really appreciate it. Thank you and may God bless you all. Without further ado, let's start cooking with Dee. Today's recipe, my loves, I am going to share with you how to make ragu. It's a Haitian cow feet stew. Very simple and so delicious. Stay tuned and keep on watching. I have already added some lime juice, vinegar, and also some salt. Let my cow feet soak about for 20 minutes. Next, as you guys can see, I am cleaning and remove all excess dark skin, and I took the lime and rub it on my cow foot. With that being said, I went and go ahead and rinse it off camera with cold water. Now I am about to season it, marinate it with my Haitian Epis. Then I add my lime juice. Give that a mix. Make sure all the Epis and marinate it within the cow foot or cow feet. And then now I'm adding some adobo powder, all-purpose seasoning. That is optional. Next, I am adding some ground red pepper to give it some kick. I love my cow foot stew ragu. It's a little spicy. Now I'm adding some beef bouillon, guys. If you don't like beef bouillon or any chicken bouillon, those are optional. You don't have to add them to your beef stew or chicken stew. Now I'm adding some garlic powder. Next, I'm adding the black pepper. Give that a mix and put it on the stove and add the remaining liquid. What I did, I added a little bit of water and of hot sauce and give that a mix. Let it cook about 2 hours on medium-low heat, guys. Medium-low heat until you see the meat of the bones. Now I'm adding some parsley tied up together with thyme. Now I'm adding 1 habanero pepper poked with cloves and let my cow feet stew cook. Okay, my loves, after 2 hours pass by, the cow foot meat is ready. The next, I will move it off the pot, then ready to make our delicious, tasty cow foot stew. By adding 1 tablespoon of oil, then some tomato paste, about 1.5 tablespoons. Then let it fry very well. Then add your meat to give them a very nice brown color. Then as stirring, add a little bit of the cow foot liquid to mix them well. Next, add your carrots. Then let your carrots steam for about 2 minutes. Next, add the remaining liquid, then let them simmer for extra 5 to 10 minutes. At last, turn off your stove, then add your veggies. After a few minutes, your delicious cow feet stew is ready to serve. As always, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.